Welcome to Roland Institute of Technology, Surya Vihar, Golonthara, ODISHA. The institution was set up in 2000 and affiliated to Biju Patnaik University of Technology in the year 2001. The institution was set up under Roland Educational and Charitable Trust, Gandhinagar, Berhampur, Odisha by the founder chairman Dr. J. Surya Rao. And the institution is approved by AICT New Delhi and recognized by Government of Odisha. At present, Mrs. J. Jayalakshmi, the chairperson of RIT Group of Institute, leading the institute. And you can see the galaxy of course, we have the director, Dr. J. Shruti, Dr. Sunil Kumar Kota, and other directors, Engineer Soumya Jamula, Dr. Jagdish Tangudu, scientist in USA. In addition to that, we have our administrative staffs, the principal, Dr. Gunamani Jana, MSc PhD, and also the Dean Dr. Sanat Kumar Patra and the Vice Principal Dr. Sanjit Kumar Acharya. And we have the galaxy of heads of the department. You can find the head of CSE department, Professor Sunil Kumar Sahu, Professor Rakesh Ranjan Polai, the head of mechanical engineering department, Professor Subhendu Subhasis Sahu, the head of civil engineering department, and Professor Pradeep Marath, head of MC department, Professor Gauri Shankar Panda, head of Triple E department, and also looking after additional charge of W department, and Professor Kunja Bihari Nanda, head of EC department, Dr. Deepak Kumar Panda, looking after the research development and consultancy, Dr. Satyajit Hota, looking after head of MBA department, and Dr. Sujata Panda, head of basic science department, and the professor of MCA, Dr. Priyadarshini Padhi, head of training and placement, Dr. Sarat Chand Chaini, and also for the entrepreneurship, others, head Dr. Deepak Kumar Mahapatra. Now, in addition to this, you can see the RIT main gate, which is opening to the NH16, and we can, once you step inside, you see the campus layout. This campus layout, we can have a look at. This is the main building, or the main and administrative building, and it is a four-story building where the first floor is used for CSE department, the second floor, third floor, and fourth floor, they are used for the other department, electrical engineering, EE, EC, and basic science departments. The immediate to the left, we can see the central library, Roland Central Library, number 4. And here we are having the Vivekananda Boys Hostel. You can see the in-campus hostel and RIT canteen, Annapurna Bhojanalaya. And we have here the generator room, and we are having a number of workshops for civil and mechanical engineering department. We have the beautiful playground here for all the cricket lovers, and also the basketball people are here. Then in this block, we can see the civil and mechanical engineering where the ground floor is dedicated only for the labs. First floor is for mechanical engineering and the second floor is for civil engineering. Next to that, you can find the PG block here where the ground floor and the first floor alternately they are going for this MC department and MBA department, and all the labs are in the second floor only. Then we can have a swimming pool here in front of this one, and all this parking field and everything, and also the transport related, we can find it here. Then in addition to this, you can see the beautiful campus and the surrounding Palur Hills and other things. You can see the hills very close to this. And coming to the main building, you can see the front view of this Roland Institute of Technology. It is a well planned by good architect. Then you can see the RIT main building back side view also, and with beautiful the lawns and beautiful gardens you can see. Then we go to the civil and mechanical engineering block. What I told you that the ground floor is dedicated only for the labs. The first floor is for mechanical engineering department, and the second floor it is for civil engineering department. In addition to this, we have a beautiful PG block. The ground floor is used for the MCA and also some labs, and the first floor it is used for MBA, and the top floor is used for various labs, also the e-classrooms. We have a very beautiful and well planned central library, RIT library, and the ground floor is also used for some study room as well as some of the labs of the civil engineering department. In addition to this, we have a well-furnished guest house, RIT guest house for the guests from other institution and universities. They can come and stay comfortably. And the in-campus hostel, Vivekananda Boys Hostel is there inside the campus. You can see there is a three-story building. We can accommodate number of students here, and all here attached toilet, bathroom, the side canteen also you can sit there. Then in addition to this, we focus on the sports. You can see the boys and girls in front of this hostel and in front of the canteen side. What you see it here, that is a right canteen. The sports activities, the girls, the boys, and we have the ATM attached to our boundary. That is in the front gate. In addition to that, we have the cultural night at RIT and the annual function like Bloom. Periodically, every year they conduct, and we have the music club and also a lot of songs and instrumentations are here. The people sing and enjoy, and the RIT is known for these transportations. And you can see the NH is just the gate is this is the gate and this is the NH. It is just opening. You can see this is the this side and that beautiful lawns and hills. You can see. In addition to this, we can see our people are consistently known for good result. Our students are topper in the BPUT. They are receiving the convocation certificate from the Honorable Vice Chancellor, also the Governor of India. Then in addition to this, we run a number of professional societies. The Engineers Day is celebrated, and Professor Dr. Subrat Bose, the retired Chief Engineer, Calcutta Port Trust, as the chief guest. He's addressing the people and interacting with them. Then we focus on the all the sports and the games. Our cricket team, they were continuously for the hat trick. They got the trophy, repeating so many other people. And we regularly conduct the conference. The third national conference was conducted on 23rd and 24th January when Principal Dr. Gunamani Jana is addressing the gallery, and the Honorable Vice Chancellor from BPUT and the Honorable the Dean from VSSUT Burla and other people are here addressing. You can see the proceeding is released by a galaxy of members here, including the management member, and the VC, Honorable VC is addressing the gallery. And you can see a lot of people are here to support, and as the keynote speaker, they are addressing our people. So in addition to this, if you see, uh, we at RIT offering a number of courses, six number of UG courses and two number of PG courses. Under the UG courses, we offer civil engineering with intake of 60. Under mechanical engineering, we offer intake 60. For computer science, at present, we are offering 150, which will be increased shortly to 180. And the electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, at present, the seat is 30, and which is already the process of getting increased to 60 each. Then in the PG courses, we are having the Master in Business Administrator. Our intake is at present 120, which we are increasing to 180. And the Master in Computer Application, the strength is intake is 120. Under the BPUT, it is successfully running for the last 25 years and celebrating the Silver Jubilee. With the total intake of 1920 students, around 2000 students, and 97 experienced faculty, the institution is recognized as a leading institution in South Odisha, and consistent good result and sufficient student facility and ambient. It has drawn the attention of both rural and urban students. The institution's main gate opening to NH16, and it is only 12 kilometers away from this Barampur railway station, and a small aerodrome field functioning at Rangailunda, which is hardly 18 kilometers away from this institution, surrounded by the exhilarating nature like the Palur Hills and small hills and scenery. It is a conducive environment for engineering education. The nearest airport at Bhubaneswar, hardly 180 kilometers from this Barampur town, with dynamic management, active administration, and homely care is the first choice among students community. I invite all the students to join and grow with RIT. They are welcome and invited to learn, unlearn, and relearn and serve the society, the community, and nations. Thank you.